So we've finally got a bit of sunshine, and it's only taken us until the middle of May. So today's going to be a good day. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through this outdoor kitchen and this pergola that we've just installed in this gorgeous little garden in Portsmouth. So for this project, I hadn't actually been up to the site, but I'd been talking with the customer. We've been going back and forth via email, and he'd been sending me some pictures and things that he liked the idea of. So this before, over here, they had a big planter made using sleepers, timber sleepers, and they had lots of soil in there. There was plants, I think there was bushes and things either side. And so what they wanted to do, they really wanted to tidy it up and create a space that they could cook on and somewhere that they'd be able to use all year round, like a covered area. So on the first day, Alex and Christy came here. They cleared away all of the planters, all of the soil, everything, and just completely cleared the whole area. And then they put down a concrete base under here. Now this is about 3 meters long by about 900 mil deep. So they put shuttering around there and formed the concrete base. So the location of this was quite important as well, because actually the old planter came out to about here, and then I think it was just dirt or shingle or something like that all the way out to here. So the customers were really, what they really wanted to do was push this kitchen as far back towards the fence as they could, so that the legs of the pergola didn't intrude on the pathway here. So you've got the pathway that comes from the road down here, and they wanted to keep this space open, and they didn't really want the leg right out here. So what we did is we pushed everything back as far as we could. We've kept the pergola legs are right up against the fence, but we've kept a little gap behind the kitchen so that if they ever want to put a screen or anything like that in the pergola, there's going to be space to do it there. So with the location of the kitchen there, that did leave this area along here, which was dirt, and we had to think of something to do there. Now, we could have put some shingle, some pea shingle or something like that down on there, but having spoken to the customer, we decided that actually, let's just put some sandstone down, some Indian sandstone to match the rest of the patio, and it just finishes off the area really, really nicely. And when Alex was setting out the concrete, he actually set it so that we would have some full size slabs going in there. We wouldn't have to cut any of the slabs. We've just got some 600 by 600 slabs that go in there really nicely. And I think you'll agree, it does actually complement it. It's finished the area really, really nicely. So we've got a aluminium louvered pergola here. Now this is 3 meters by 3 meters. So it's 3 meters wide by 3 meters out. And as you can see, it just intrudes on the pathway, but not overly so. So these are completely weather tight. They're manual. The louvers are open and closed using these shutters here. So you literally turn this like that. The pergola closes. It's then completely watertight. You can now use this, you know, if it's tipping around down with rain all year round, you can sit out here. They've actually got some table and chairs over there. They've got a little a fire heater there as well. So, you know, even in the winter, they can put their chairs out here, the heater, and they can really enjoy this space. You are also able to get pull down blinds for every single side if you want to, but that can be put on at any other time. So let's come on to the kitchen build then. So for this one, as you can see, we've built this using bricks, and the bricks we've used, we chose those to match this garage here. So it's actually the same, well, the house is made out of brickwork. So using this style of brick, it really complements the rest of the house, the rest of the garden. It feels like it was part of it when it was first built. So we've got the bricks built. For the tops, we've got a 20 mil dark granite. I think this is called Absolute Nero, is the name of it. This is a very hard-wearing, decent worktop to have. Granite is normally sort of you go to on an outdoor kitchen. Grill-wise, we've got the Beefeater 1600S. This is a 4-burner. This is a fantastic grill for Beefeater. They do have another one as well called the 1600E, which basically means that this front fascia here is like an enamel color. It's like a graphite-y color. So the E is for the enamel, the S is for stainless steel, and that's the only difference. These come in 3 burners, 4 burners, and 5 burners as well. This one's actually sat on brackets as well, stainless steel brackets. You don't have to have these if you want. You can create a shelf on the underside and the barbecue can sit on that. So there's 2 ways of actually installing these. But we like using the brackets on these. That's that. Underneath here, you've got some double stainless steel doors. And that is literally for the storage of the gas and storage of anything else that you want in there. You can see underneath there that we've got a brick and air vent at the bottom. So every time you're using propane gas, you have a vent at the bottom. If you're using natural gas, you have a vent at the top. So that's that underneath there. Coming along to here, you've got some more stainless steel doors. In there, you can see they've got hooks on here for keeping utensils, and it's just more storage in there. You can actually see that they've got a Weber smoky mountain in there, which is really cool. It's like a little smoker for slow cooking and smoking meats, which is really, really good. You can see that they've got a Weber kettle on the end there as well. So they've got a charcoal barbecue, they've got a smoker, and they've got a gas grill. So they've really got all the angles covered for cooking anything. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see another one like it, I'll leave a link up there. Head over there and check out another video. Maybe if you're looking for an outdoor kitchen, you're looking for some ideas or some inspiration. We've got lots and lots of kitchens on our channel. We also have Instagram, we have Facebook. Head over there. We post on there 2-3 times a week showing you what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.